Hello everyone. If you happen to ask me a simple question, am I a tea person or coffee person? Then I'll reply that I'm a tea person. I enjoy the beverage, and more than the beverage, I also have discovered an amazing package called as teapot. Well, there is no correlation between the two, but I thought of using this analogy in this video. So today's video is all about teapot, which is tree-based pipeline optimization tool. It's basically a Python library for automated machine learning or AutoML. So without wasting any further time, let's kickstart the video. But hey, hold on. It would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos that I create on data science and machine learning. With that, let's kickstart the video by installing Teapot. Now that we've installed Teapot, let's go forward and import the necessary modules. I have a simple file with me which is data.xlx. I load that file into a data frame called as df. Let me also go forward and show you the first 5 rows of the data frame. So as you can clearly see, I have columns like gender, married, dependents, and so on and so forth. I've already done some pre-processing on this data set, so there are no missing values in the data set. Plus, all the categorical columns have been converted to numeric. This is my target column, which is loan underscore status. It has two values, 0 and 1. So it's a binary classification problem that I'm trying to solve. Now that we have all the data in the data frame, let's go forward and separate the data into X and Y. So let me run the cell. After splitting the data into X and Y, the next step is to split the data into training and testing. So let me go forward and do that. So finally, we've reached a stage to witness the magic of Teapot classifier. Well, Teapot uses a tree-based structure to represent a model pipeline for a predictive modeling problem. The pipeline includes data preparation, modeling algorithms, and model hyperparameters. So essentially, you just have to feed in the data. You just have to specify what the X values, that is your feature values, are, what your target values are, and Teapot will automatically create the best possible model for you. Now, if you notice carefully, there are arguments such as generation as well as population size. What exactly do they mean? Well, generation is the number of iterations to run the pipeline optimization process. Ideally, Teapot will work better when you give it more generations so that it can optimize the pipeline even better. Next up, we have something called as population size. So population size is the number of individuals to retrain in the genetic programming population every generation. Now again, if you give this a higher number or if you assign population size a higher number, there are chances that the Teapot classifier would be much more accurate. You can read more of the different arguments that the Teapot classifier takes in by going through the official documentation page. So let us go forward and create this instance of the Teapot classifier. Now, since we've created the instance of the Teapot classifier, let's go forward and fit our training data, that is Xtrain and Ytrain, into it. So let me run the cell. As you can clearly see, we have reached generation 2 or iteration 2 with a cross validation score of 78.20%. So the entire operation is over and we've come up with the best classifier, which for this current data set is the XGB classifier or XGBoost classifier. It is also showing the different hyperparameters that exist for this particular classifier. Let us go forward and validate how good the classifier is performing on unseen data. So let me run the cell. So as you can clearly see, we are able to reach a testing accuracy of close to 72.33% for the given data set. Remember one thing, we've kept the generation count to 5. If you happen to increase the generation count to say 10, 20 or a higher value, then I'm pretty sure you should be able to reach at a higher testing accuracy score as well. So this was my attempt in showing you the power of teapot classifier. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the videos that I post on machine learning and data science, it would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.